No, he's not scared with heights. I think he's like Sarah and Ibrahim. They're like they like rides.
Hold on, wait for me.
Oh my gosh, he likes it. Hi Zido. Say hi to Mama. Zido, I'm here. Sige, go slide.
Let's go slide together.
Sit on Vida's lap. Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Oh, Zido, here. Sige. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Hoppa! Bravo! Bravo, Zido! Oh my gosh, I'm shocked.